What's up, people? It's Kyle. I figured I'd never really done a layout tour like of my actual layout, so I figured I'd do one. And since I've been doing some changes around here lately, I figured it'd be a good time to do that. So basically, I've got a nice little oval going here. Absolutely nothing fancy. The most decorative thing I've got around here is a little Coke billboard. Other than that, I mean, yeah, I've got some buildings and stuff like that, but really I don't run my trains much here. I do that mostly at the LA Model Railroad Society, so not a lot goes on here other than just working on it and testing stuff and, you know, stuff like that. But I decided to be able to test all my stuff and everything here, that I would go ahead and do some, you know, changes around the layout from back when I had a DC layout. So basically what I've done is I got myself a Digitrax Zephyr. It's a DCS50, and along with that, as you can see all the wires going out there, but along with that I got a UR90, which allows me to have wireless control via infrared signals, and I got a nice little UP5 so I can sit down and have my throttle plugged in, but that's not really necessary since I have a UR90. Anyhow, yeah, more of the stuff I've been doing around the layout is replacing the tracks. I used to have all that easy track crap that was all around the layout. Now I changed it to Atlas stuff. Or, yeah, I think it's Atlas track. It's code, whatever. So, another big change I've been doing around the layout is actually making things look nice with, you know, metal covers in the back there and a proper plate on the front, and you know, switches and everything. So this here is region power that turns on these plugs, as well as the power to the Zephyr, which is for the DCC. This one here is for the indicators around the layout. That's this little red light. There's one over there, and there's also an orange light. All those are just for indication of power and track status. Other thing I did here is I installed this little switch, which puts not the main loop, but this little straightaway track here, which is currently housing some of my bad order cars, so I'm going to be working on those. But that's for my programming track. That switches between programming mode for the Zephyr and normal operations mode, and then centers off. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up here. As you can see, I've got track status there on the UP5 as well as up there on the UR90. Indicator light here on that switch. Also, you can probably see the one down there. It's also a red one. Also, this little LT1 is giving me all greens, which is track status. Anyway, wireless control here, so you can see when I crank this little knob right here, it's going to send a signal up to that UR90, and so it'll, if I press the bell button, that's function 1, and function 2 being the horn. So I'll go ahead and run it up here just to show you. And you can see the speed there is what's on the layout power. And this is all digital command and control, and if you don't know what that is, that's basically where every train has a different little chip inside it that tells, and the system tells it what to do, rather than the track telling trains on the layout what to do. It's just a whole lot better than DC. And yeah, it's expensive and all, but still, I think it's a lot better. So, one of the things, you know, just changes I've been having around the layout. Unfortunately, all these connections are still a little loose, so they tend to disconnect every once in a while. But I'll be working on it. As you can see, there's quite a frenzy of wires under here. Anyway, that's about it for this layout update. Thanks for watching, and we've got lots of videos of my trains at the train club on my YouTube page, and as well as you know, related videos and whatever other tabs are on screen over there. And yeah, that's just about it. Alright, thanks for watching.